Welcome to our tutorial on applying to the University of South Florida as a non-degree seeking student. Students who take classes but are not earning a degree at USF are classified as non-degree. Today, we will walk through the process of submitting the online application from account creation through payment. First, go to usf.edu/registrar and click on non-degree admission. Then, select the student category that best applies to you. To start your non-degree application, click the USF online application link. Before filling out your application, you must first create an account by providing your name and email and creating a password. You will be asked to verify your account either by email or text. Once you fill out every field, click on Create a New Account. To verify your account, follow the prompts to receive your security code. Enter the code and click Create a New Account. This application does not have to be completed all at one time. If at any point while completing this application you need to stop, click the Save and Exit Application button at the bottom of the screen. Everything you have entered up until that point will be saved, and you may log back in at any time to resume the application process. Now, let's begin. On this screen, you will be able to enter your personal information. Be sure to include any other previous or legal names by entering the names and clicking Add My Name. Enter the rest of your personal information. All required fields are indicated with an asterisk. You can opt out or opt in to text message alerts about your application by providing your mobile carrier. Once you complete this section, click Save and Continue to proceed to the next step. On this page, enter your current citizenship status. If you're a citizen, click Yes and enter your Social Security number. If you do not have a Social Security number, leave this area blank. If you are not a U.S. citizen, select No and provide the required information. Then click Save and Continue. Now we are going to enter academic interest information. Since you're applying as non-degree, select non-degree as your student type. The different types of non-degree students are defined in the green box below. Next, indicate which semester you're applying for, keeping in mind that non-degree applications are due 3 weeks prior to the beginning of each term. Now select your home campus, and under Program, select the non-degree program for which you want to apply. For definitions of each program, refer to the green box above. After completing this page, click Save and Continue. On the Contact Information page, answer both questions regarding any prior situations and provide additional information if prompted. Then, click Save and Continue. Do you have any military affiliations? Answer the 3 questions on this page and enter any additional information if prompted. When done, click Save and Continue. There are 8 steps in this application to provide information for residency. In order to qualify for Florida residency for tuition purposes, the claimant must have lived permanently in Florida for at least 12 months prior to the start of the term. Non-degree applicants under the age of 24 are presumed to be a dependent of a parent or legal guardian. The parent or legal guardian is the claimant. Information on the following screens should be entered for the claimant. Non-degree applicants over the age of 24 are presumed to be independent. Please list yourself as the claimant and enter your information to verify residency. If you select No, your application will advance to the Preview My Application section. For the sake of this tutorial, we will be selecting Yes to go through the process of claiming Florida residency. Then click Save and Continue. In Step 2, you will be entering the name and address of the person claiming Florida residency. Remember, If you are under 24 and considered dependent, you will enter your parent or legal guardian's information. If you are over 24 and independent, you will enter your own information. When done, click Save and Continue. For Step 3, enter the date the claimant began establishing legal residency and click Save and Continue. At least 2 forms of proof of residency are required to qualify for in-state tuition and fees. In Step 4, you will enter the claimant's voter registration information. If the claimant has been registered to vote in Florida for at least 12 months prior to the start of the term, select Yes and provide the information requested. A link to the Florida Voter Registration Lookup tool is located in the green instructional box to obtain your registration number and issue date. Save and Continue. Does the claimant have a Florida driver's license at least 12 months old? If so, enter the claimant's driver's license on this screen. Then click Save and Continue. If the claimant has a vehicle registered in Florida for longer than 12 months, please provide this information in Step 6. Enter the VIN number of the vehicle in the registration number field. When selecting the issue date, be sure to use the original issue date and not the renewal date for the vehicle registration. Click Save and Continue to proceed to the next step. In Step 7, indicate if you are a permanent resident. U.S. citizens should select No. If you are not a U.S. citizen and are a permanent resident, select Yes and enter the information requested. Then click Save and Continue. The final step of the residency section is the Statement of Agreement. After reading this agreement, click the I am claiming Florida residency box and Save and Continue. Your application is almost complete. In the Preview and Signature section, you will review each section for accuracy. If you see anything that needs to be changed, use the Edit Section button to navigate to that section. Once you make the change, click Save and Continue on that page and navigate back to the Preview and Signature section by clicking the menu on the left. Once you've confirmed your application, read the green signature box and acknowledge the statement by entering your full name twice and entering the 5-letter code in the captcha box to the right. Click Save and Submit Application. When you submit, a confirmation page will appear if the submission was successful. Verify your information and the campus at the top of the page. Submit your application fee payment online using the preferred payment option listed on the confirmation page. You may also mail your payment to the address provided. Once your application is accepted by the university, a welcome letter will be sent to your email address with next steps to enroll. If you have any questions about submitting your non-degree application, email nondegree@usf.edu.